Okay, now this is a finished version of Battlecorn. It's totally dry. Paint highlights are finished. Let's do the back side there. Do the side here. So what do you guys think? It's a little go ahead and take this outside for a better view. Okay, I brought it outside because I thought the lighting would be a little better. It's still in the afternoon, but here we go. Check it out. Back side. Turn on the back. To the side again here. So there you have it. Just rate it 0 to 10. Let me know your thoughts, comments, suggestions. I've made custom monster trucks and Hot Wheel cars, and these have been action figures in the past. If you want me to do more videos of them, I'll do them. It's a beautiful morning. What I want to do is show you my Battlecorn custom truck along with these other trucks. So here we have Metal Militia, Max D, Classic Excalibur, and there's Battlecorn. Now if you didn't know, you'd think he's part of the group. But it's an all custom truck. Check the back out, the understy with Rob, the driver. There it is. Is that not bad or what? Of course, Metal Militia, Classic Excalibur, and everybody's favorite, one of everybody's favorite is Max D. So here we go. Put them all together. They look good together, don't they? Fits right in. Okay, hope you guys enjoy it.